Alright, so we're going to use the Lustro Italiano stain remover powder. We're going to create a poultice to apply to this threshold going into the shower. As you can see, it's darker on this side than this side, so there's a little bit of some staining here. And we're going to use this Lustro stain remover to try and remove that staining and make it all nice one even color again. So this is a powder. And we're going to add water to create a poultice. So we'll put some in a cup. Add some water. Oops. Just mix this up. When we're done mixing this, we want it to be about a toothpaste type consistency so that we can spread it. And a little runny isn't a big deal. It'll just take a little longer for it to dry out. Obviously, if it's just a small stain you're trying to remove, just mix up a little bit. And seeing as this is a pretty good size area, I'm mixed up a decent amount here. And we're just going to spread a layer over the affected area. You just want a decent layer. So that everything is covered. Then we will put some plastic over top of this. We're just going to use some cling wrap here. What this will do is it'll hold in some of that moisture. To help draw the stain out of the stone. So we'll just let this be, we'll let it be overnight so that it can have time to draw that stain out with that moisture pulling as it dries, and it'll draw out that stain out of the stone. And we'll poke a couple holes in this to help give it a little bit of air. But in the morning we'll pull off the plastic and check the results. It is not uncommon to have to do this multiple times depending on how bad the stain is. But that's the process. If you have to do it again, you just kind of do the same process over and over. until the stain is gone to your satisfaction. And that's really about it. It's a pretty simple process.